Welcome to Brick Stuff. Today we're going to show you how to build this minifigure scaled Lego washing machine. First we're going to start with 3 2x4 plates placed on top of each other. You can always use a 2x4 brick here. Next to that we're going to put a 2x1 with studs on the side. Alternatively, you can always use 2 1x1s with studs on the side. Next to that, a 1x1 transparent brick, or again, as I've done here, 3 1x1 plates on top of each other. Then we're just going to build up the remainder of that height with a 3x1 and a 2x1 brick. Now onto the first stud on the side, we're going to place one of these circular pieces, and this will create the door to our washing machine. And on the other stud to the side, we are putting one of these circular tiles. Our one has a little dial on it. You can always use a plain one or any other printed one that you have. And to finish it off, a 2x4 tile. There we have our washing machine to minifigure scale. Thanks for watching.